Hello, grade 8 students, and welcome back to a new English lesson. Our lesson today is Module 2 Roundup. Please get ready and follow me step by step. As usual, my grade students, you know that we always start our lesson by reading the objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Use 11 target vocabulary in context by selecting the correct words to complete 11 sentences. 2. Use the relative pronouns in context correctly. 3. Use the conditional sentence type 1 correctly. Last, practice starting, maintaining, and ending a conversation through completing a dialogue with the appropriate responses. To start with, guys, look at the pictures in here and try to complete the facts about them. Pause the video, do the task, and get back when you're done. Alright, here, name of person. Right, Albert Einstein. Field of study. Right, mathematics and physics. Name of game. Excellent, it's of course football. Number of players. Right, 22. The last one, name of landmark. Of course, the Great Wall of China, and the country is China. Now, can you mention any other famous places, let's say in Qatar here? Excellent, we can say the Museum of Islamic Art, Doha, Qatar. Our first task, guys, here you should circle the correct options. But before you start answering the questions, let us discuss the meanings of these vocabulary items. The word distance, the amount of space between two places. Destination, the place where someone is going or where something is being sent or taken. So, 1. This island is a popular holiday. Distance, destination. Wonderful, of course, destination. The word sign, a notice giving information, directions, a warning, etc. Square, a flat shape with 4 sides of equal length and 4 angles of 90. So, 2. You can't eat in here. Look at the excellent. Look at the sign. Dull, not interesting or exciting in any way. Successful, achieving the results wanted or hoped for. So, 3. The film wasn't dull, successful. Very few people went to see it. Excellent, of course, successful. The word lend, to give something to someone for a short period of time, expecting it to be given back, or the word book, to arrange to have a seat, room, performer, etc. at a particular time in the future. So here you can lend book tickets for the game online. Good job, book. Then we have do, to perform, take part in, or achieve something. The word make, to produce something, often using a particular substance or material. So here we're going to make an experiment today. Wonderful. Of course, it's a do. We have the word sites, famous tourism places to be visited by people. Brochure, a type of small magazine that contains pictures and information on a product or a company. So, of course, excellent. We were in London just for a day, so we didn't have time to visit all the sites. Good job. 7. Click on the notifications and at the bottom of your screen. Good job. Of course, it's at the bottom. Now, this is an extra task for you. You should complete the sentences with words from the list. Pause the video, do the task, and get back, please. Alright, number 1. My brother helped me. Excellent. Of course, do my homework. 2. The first day of our holiday was. Right, dull. Could you me your book, please? I forgot mine. Excellent, lend. The between Doha and Al-Khor is about 40 kilometers. Right, guys, of course, it's a distance. Here you should match the following phrases. Before you do the task, Have a look at this, please. The uses of do and make. Do is used when we speak about housework, like if I say do the housework. Also, when you speak about work or study, like do homework, do an experiment, do a task, do a test. Last one, taking care of your body, like if I say do exercise, do karate. On the other side, make. Food, like if I say make a cake, make a pizza, make orange juice. Also, we use it when we speak about money, like if I say make a profit. Also, you can say make money. The last one, relationship and communications, like when we say make friends, make a speech. Now pause the video, do the task and get back. Alright, the first one, be in. Excellent, be in a hurry. 2. Right, make a mistake. Third one, do. Wonderful, do someone a favor. The last one, follow. Excellent, follow one's dream. Good job, everyone. Here is an extra practice. Complete the sentences using the correct form of make or do. We've got different forms of make and do. Here we say make, right. We say makes, made, and making. Wonderful. What about do? We say does, did, done, and doing. Perfect. Now use the forms and complete the sentences. Please get back when you're done. Alright, the first one. I at least have an hour of exercise every day. Excellent, I do. 2. The new company a profit within its first year. Right, made. 3. It's hard to friends when you move to a big city. Excellent, to make friends. 4. Don't worry about getting everything perfect. Just, of course, do your best. Yeah, we always have to do our best. Excellent. Now let's speak about the relative pronouns. Don't forget, guys, we use who, that to speak about people, which, that, things, animals, or ideas. And we use whose when we speak about possession. But if you want to speak about a place, we use, of course, the word where. Now, the first task here about the relative pronouns. You should complete with who, which, that, whose, or where. Please read the sentences carefully, do the task, and get back when you're done. Alright, guys, the first one. Bully Smith is the athlete. Excellent. Whose autograph I got yesterday. This is possession, so we say whose autograph I got yesterday. 2. The film we saw in history class was silent. The film we saw in history class was silent. Film, of course, which and that. 3. John Hudson is the architect designed the Sydney Opera House. Right. Who or that? That's the hotel I work. Right, this is a place, we say where. 5. The tourist I met was looking for the science museum. Wonderful. Who or that? Excellent. Alright, an extra practice about the relative pronouns. Write sentences using the prompts. Here, guys, you should use the given words, right, to form sentences. Please pause the video, try to write complete sentences, and get back when you're done, please. Alright, the first one. You have I met who you teaches the teacher math. Excellent. We say I met the teacher who teaches you math. 2. This, the, is restaurant I where eat. Right, this is the restaurant where I eat. The last one, the film which I watched yesterday was interesting. Perfect. Here is the conditional sentence type 1. Guys, remember that the conditional sentence type 1 is used when we talk about possible actions. Like if I say, if you study hard, you will pass the exam. If I finish my homework early, I'll watch TV. It's very important to know that. We can also use unless instead of if not. Like if I say, we will go shopping unless it rains, and so on. Please review this and pay attention in the use of if. Type 1. Conditional sentence type 1, as I said, we use it when we speak about possible actions, like it might happen. Alright. Here is our first task. You should complete the correct forms of the verbs in brackets. So think of the forms of call, change, sell, buy, not let, go while using yes, F. First conditional type 1. Pause the video, do the task, and get back when you're done, please. Alright, the first one. If I change my mind about tonight. Excellent, I'll call you. If I change. 2. As soon as Jake, right, sells, he will buy. 3. Unless Tony does well in the exam, his dad, excellent, won't let him go out. 4. Before they make the cake, they to the supermarket. Right, they will go. Alright guys, in this part, we should circle the correct options using some, any, no, every. Please don't forget that we use some by saying someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, everyone, everybody, and so on. We use them to speak about people. We can say also something, anything, nothing, everything when we speak about things. Places, somewhere, anywhere, nowhere, everywhere. Excellent and good job. Here you should circle the correct options. You've got here 4 sentences. Please circle the correct options and get back when you're done. Alright, number 1. In my class likes football. Right, everybody. 2. Is there? Right, anywhere. 3. He wants to get a black belt in karate and can stop him. Of course, nothing. 4. I've looked in the house. Excellent, I've looked everywhere. Good job. An extra practice, guys, about communication. You should choose A or B, but before we do the task, please pay attention that when we ask for help, we can say, may I ask you something? Yeah. The other side, helping a tourist, you can say, may I help you, please? Excellent. Please read the other parts here, which we can use when we ask for help and when we give help. Here, asking for clarifications, you can say sorry if something is not clear. You can say sorry, or did you say sorry, I didn't understand, or I don't understand. Great. Now you should circle the correct answer, please. Read the 2 sentences and choose the correct answer. Pause the video, do the task, and get back when you're done. Alright, the first one. What do you think of math? Excellent, that's a piece of cake. Easy. 2. Ali, did you ask your brother about your lost phone? Nasser, of course, he hasn't got a clue. Thank you so much for watching, guys.